close out set number 1. Pero FEU, no, not yet.
Whoa! Oh my goodness! Manon! Kita mo naman yan, yung timing nung set. Kaya nauna yung blocker ng UST.
Go back to him. He's going to be attacking again. Ito naman ang USC with a drop. Well aware where that ball is. And
Para yung attacker niya makapag-adjust. And that's what happened.
12-14. Oh, yun pala makukuha doon. Again, Lear. Salvador. Oh, yun lang.
I mean, the timing of the sets of Martinez, it's...
Tingnan muna natin, Jiangnan hotpot attack. Hotpot ba? Attack na sa Jiangnan. And that was Lyric Mendoza. This is so special for him here and set. Ngayon gumagana na ang blocking. Ooh. Was close to an ace right there. Oh, that great combination play. Dug up. Betineo. And Maro can get rich. We have here in set number 3. Oh, CP lang yung service. Turn out to be an A. Ateneo's answer, no. He's right there. Nico Espartero. Oh, nice save right there. Salamson. So keeping it in play, not anymore.
Because, tignan mo, merong delay. Pero parang pinag-usapan. And it's not the first time I've seen this from him.
At ang tingin ko pa, atakin dito is si Saavedra.
Huli lang ni Abanilla. Aringo. Huli ng blockers.
Point ng FEU, yun pa yung naging susi para makuha nila ang first set.
Si Benny Martinez ang 5'7" lang. Just kidding.
Ang lalaki na talaga.
Oh! Tapos muna si Kapitan Leo Aringo. Babawi ang FEU. Great hang time.
Side ng FEU, meron silang magandang reception. Kaya mas marami yung bolang na ibibigay niya.
Sana maayos ang NU. Finally, they got it, but they were rejected.
Akin neto ni Mukaba. At hindi kasi, totoo lang, hindi ito yung pinaka... for NU.
Lyric Mendoza!
Bigyan ng ganyang klaseng palo yung Mendoza. Baon.
Kung up.
About that, making the quick point, Lyric Mendoza finishing up. Point siya nung game 1 and then nung game 2, up with 13. And right now, that's all part of history. What we're focusing on is this finals game. Back of his. See it again. Enjoy it again. Especially if you're an FE. Gawa naman ng paraan Lasal. Lyric Mendoza. Dinelay ng... Meron din palang ball fake, ano?
Sometimes we see that. Alam,
Bistula regalo. Oh! Lyric Mendoza. The deficit of 4. Wow, Lyric Mendoza making that happen. Holy... Eddie Martinez. Lyric Mendoza. It's blocked. Adahar back to Magalaman. Ceballos with that dig. And nothing like that. Lyric Mendoza.
balikan doon. Ang bilis din ng mga pangyayari.
Scramble here for Lasal. Is he over? Kenny Martinez. At naman yung 1-2 play. Lasal was ready. And coming up with a boom.
Every time he knew where the attack was gonna come from. Look at that. Solid block.
Grab block of the set. Yung attitude na nakikita natin from LaSalle as compared to game 1, parang medyo hindi ganito eh. That time, Lyric Mendoza responding very
Control mo ang volleyball. Ooh, good dig.
De Guzman, referee Ahmed. Kaya pa, Rui Ventura. Again, Lyric Mendoza naman for referee.
I mean, look at this. That's a good first ball. The blockers were there, but he was able to put that ball right through them because they're able to reach the finals and they're doing such a good job here. But Mendoza,
Quick play. That's gonna work. Para kay Lyric Mendoza.
Quick na yan. Yun yung expertise niya.
Si Lyric minsan lang umupe. Pakita. Rodriguez no look. Ah, the delay. Comes in with a good one. Emma Hernandez is denied by Lyric Mendoza. Take a look at the grab block of the set. Lyric Mendoza got all of that. And a timeout called by La...
And si Hernandez, medyo similar yung kilos nila when it comes to
And that almost took my head. Martinez, attack coming from Lyric Mendoza. Alam naman yan, nagkupi ko noong araw yan. But that was a bullet from Lyric.
He's just singing